Hi friends, welcome. Today we see Who Will Cry When You Die, written by Robin Sharma. Chapter number 11, Talk to Yourself. Years ago, when I was a litigation lawyer who had many of the material trappings of success, yet little in the way of inner peace, I read a book called As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. The book discussed the enormous power of the human mind to shape our reality and attract great happiness and prosperity into our lives. The work also mentioned the profound influence of the words and language we use on a daily basis to create a more enlightened pathway of thought. Fascinated, I began to read more and more wisdom and self help literature. And as I did, I discovered the profound impact and importance of the words we use in our daily communication, both with others and ourselves, and the quality of our lives. This knowledge also caused me to become aware of the personal dialogue that each of us has going on within us every minute of every hour of every day, and to vow to improve the content of what I was saying to myself. To achieve this, I began to apply a strategy developed by the ancient sages over 5000 years ago, and in many ways it changed my life. The technique is a simple one and involves nothing more than selecting a phrase that you will train your mind to focus on at different times throughout the day until it begins to dominate your awareness and reshape the persons you are. If it is inner peace and calm you seek, the phrase known as a mantra might be I am so great. I am so grateful that I am a serene and tranquil person. If it is more confidence that you want, your mantra could be I am delighted that I am full of confidence and boundless courage. If it is material prosperity you are after, your saying might be I am so grateful that money and opportunity is flowing into my life. Repeat your mantra softly under your breath as you walk to work, as you wait in line, or as you wash the dishes to fill the otherwise unproductive times of your day with a powerful life improvement force. Try to say your personal paras at least 200 times a day for at least 4 weeks. The result will be profound as you take one giant step to finding the peace, prosperity, purpose, purpose of your life requires. As Azarath in Yathon said, the words that enlighten the soul are more precious than jewels. Thank you for watching.